Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've taken this beautiful handmade doll and it's a bottle doll. You can go and check the tutorial on my channel. Now what I'll do is that I'll try to make her look more beautiful by converting her into Miss Universe. So for that, over here I've taken this very glittery and sparkly silver kind of fabric, and then I'll just mark these lines with a pen, and then I'll just cut these out. So now as you can see, I'm just making these cuts over here because again I'm making no sew and no glue dress. So again we'll just tie it along, and I'll just stretch out these by using my fingers, and so that we can easily wrap them around the doll's body and tie a knot. So now this way I'll set it properly and then start tying a knot. So now guys, as you can see, I'm making a very beautiful fishtail gown. So that's why right now I have to cinch this fabric tightly to her waist to give that beautiful shape. Alright folks, so once that is done, I'll take the same fabric again but in a long shape, and then I'll just make some fringes out of it. And then I'll just make a tiny little cut. So now I'll just take the same fabric and take it along with the circles which I've made, basically these little tiny holes. I'll just take it along and just do the neat.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters, it comes and goes.
Okay, so now as you can see, this frill is ready. I'll just put it over here and tie it from the back again.
We'll never know.
So now as you can see, I'm cutting out the excess fabric from the knots so that it will look more neat and clean. So now once this is done, let's just put it equal. And now make a beautiful cinch in tiny belt over here. And again tie it from the back. Cut the excess fabric, and this is what it looks right. Now again I'll take these two same fabric cutouts and I'll just put a little tiny cut over here, just a little hole, and then over here as well. So I'll just repeat the same thing like I did for the frill for the gown, and put a little tiny piece of fabric along with it. So this will make another very tiny ruffle for the sleeves.
The constant fear of what comes after, and we'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground.
Now as you can see, these two are now done. I'll just tie it around her hand.
Let's run away.
painting on the other side as well. Now I'll quickly put this around the neck as well, just to make that choker kind of effect. So once this is done, let's paint the head. And of course I'm gonna use black hairs for this, so that's why I'm using a black base.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters.
So now once the paint is nice and dry, I'll take my wig and make her wear this. So it's basically a very beautiful high bun. Then I'll start painting her hand with white color just to make those white gloves. And I'll just paint it completely over here. Okay, so now once it's dry, now let's make the jewelry out of the same silver glitter foam sheet and just put it around her. So ta-da guys, my beautiful Miss Universe doll, handmade doll is finally ready. Now let's do the honors. Now let's make her wear this beautiful Miss Universe sash, and also the most important part, which is the Miss Universe crown. Let's honor her with that as well. So guys, this is it. This was the final look of my Miss Universe doll. Let me know in the comment section below which kind of dolls you want me to make next. Maybe Miss World or something like that. And I'll definitely consider and make that too in one of my next videos. So make sure you do that, and till next time, bye bye.